Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create or open a ChatGPT account. It's really easy. Go to the search bar and here just type ChatGPT. You can click any of the link which is given by OpenAI. So let's say I'll click on introducing ChatGPT, and once you click on it, basically it will load for a few seconds. And here you will get this three option: download ChatGPT for the desktop, try ChatGPT. So let's have a click on try ChatGPT, and again you will be redirected to a new page here. Now here you have to just click on OK, continue, and I will just close this. Now here automatically my ChatGPT got logged in, so I will just click on log out here. Now here on the top right you will get this option of login or sign up, so you have to click on sign up here, and then you will be easily able to create your account. Here it will ask your email address, right? So you can just continue with your Google, Microsoft account or Apple. Sometimes, the ChatGPT website doesn't work properly. So if it is happening, then don't worry. Just try after some time, then it will work. For example, to do that, I will just enter my email address here. After that, you have to create a password. So you can just create your password very easily. Make sure you just use at least 12 characters here and then just click on continue. And right now a ChatGPT account has been made, and this is how you can ChatGPT. Now I can use ChatGPT for my use here, and it's really easy. On the left side you will see all the commands which you are giving. You can just go and create a new section like this, right? Section 2, and this is really easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.